ខ្ញុំធ្វើអាហារពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំធ្វើអាហារពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំធ្វើអាហារពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការ Okay, let's talk about the word here. So ខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញ in here it means like I say I brush my teeth ខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញដុស in here it means brush. So ដុស also have another meaning but different spelling. Okay, like ដុសស្រៈ off it means like grow the tree. So like ដើមឈើនេះដុះឡើង so it means this tree is growing. It means ដុះ it means grow in here. ដុស also ខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញ the same writing but it means like cleaning when you say ខ្ញុំដុសជូតផ្ទះ it means ខ្ញុំ it means I am cleaning the house. So cleaning the house you use the word ដុសជូត yeah. So ដុស it means like brushing the house and ជូត it means like mop the floor. So overall you say ដុសជូតខ្ញុំដុសជូតផ្ទះ it means I'm cleaning the house.